Hi guys! Good morning! Welcome back to my channel. Quick video lang po tayo for today. This is Ramatado Sale, Bank Foreclosed Property sa may Belport State, napakalapit sa Daang Hari. This is single detached unit. Ang kanyang lot area ay 110 square meters. Ang kanyang floor area ay 88 square meters. Kagandahan nito, meron po itong kwarto sa ibaba at merong kwarto sa itaas na 3. Meron po itong toilet and bath up and down. Ang ganda ng stairs niya, oh. This is selling for as low as 5,063,000 pesos po. Compare nyo po sa current developer's price na 7.8 million. Ang laki po ng matitipid nyo. This is the layout of the property. Post nyo na lang po yung video para mabasa nyong mabuti ang mga detalye. Konting repairs and repaint, pwede nyo po siyang ma-turn ng ganito and pwede nyo rin palagyan ng balcony. Ang ganda. Nag-attach ako ng pictures ng model house para lalo nyo pong ma-appreciate. Once again, this is Bank Foreclosed Property selling at 5,063,000 pesos. Lipat agad for as low as 20% down payment. So for viewing and inquiries and for faster transaction, please direct messages at FB Messenger Sheila Medina Veronilla or contact us at Smart Viber 0908-8934078, Globe 0917-8427198. Thank you for watching and keep safe always. Bye!